Hey, it's Mike and today I'd like to talk about Nove Inc. It trades at the NYSE under the symbol NOV. The stock was down a little over 4%, down to $15.35. Look over the past 5 days, the stock has been doing pretty okay. It was seen at 15.05. It has moved up a little bit. Over the past month, the stock has definitely begun to ramp up. And you should definitely keep an eye on Nove Inc. because it is involved as an equipment and components maker used in oil drilling. Now, the thing about the oil industry is that it is probably in the long term, not things are not looking that great for the oil industry. However, in the short term, there's a possibility that you could get a nice return on Nove Inc. That's because we're headed into the seasonally strong session or a seasonally strong time of the year for oil, which usually runs from about February to May as winter gives way to spring. You get a lot more operations going, you get a lot more transport moving around the world. Also, I think another factor is that now that we have a vaccine and the pandemic seems like it's going to be going by the wayside, a lot of more transportation and projects are going to open up. That's going to mean you're going to have more need for oil. So a company like Nove Inc. is definitely going to be in a position to do really well over the next 3 to 5 months. And it's also really good that the stock has give you a bit of a pullback here from its short-term high. That gives you an opportunity to get in. Maybe wait for it to fall a little more. Like I've said before, I like to see a 5% pullback in 10 or less trading days on a stock that's above the 50-day moving average. So if it could move down a little more, it would definitely qualify under that 5% pullback in less than 10 trading days, sitting above the 50-day moving average. But like I said, you may want to get into this now because if you wait until February, March, when it really begins to run up and start making new highs, it might be a little too late because then it's just going to really begin to take off. So definitely, and also just definitely in general, just look at oil, look at energy. I'm just going to take a look at USO right now. This is the oil ETF. USO has definitely been ramping up. It's really going to take off probably in February, March, April, and May, but it looks like the ramp up has started now. But definitely take a look at Nove, take a look at oil, take a look at anything in the oil and gas sector, but take a look at it as a short-term trade. I would not be in it for more than, after the month of May, I would get out, and just because there'll probably be better opportunities anyway. But definitely take a look at Nove Inc. It trades on the NYSE under symbol NOV. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to leave a like and go ahead and subscribe and turn on notifications. I do multiple daily updates on stocks, options, and stock trading strategies. Thanks a lot.